In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon to your website using Hostinger. A favicon, if you're not familiar, is that small icon you see in the browser tab next to your web page title. It's a subtle detail but contributes significantly to your site's overall branding, making it easier for visitors to recognize your page among multiple open tabs. Plus, it just adds a touch of professionalism to your online presence. To kick things off, you'll want to create your favicon. If you haven't already designed one, now's the time to do so. You can use graphic design tools like Illustrator or Canva to create your favicon, which typically measures 16 by 16 or 32 by 32 pixels. It should be simple yet distinct, something that easily represents your brand or website identity. Once you've got your design ready, save it in either ICO or PNG format, as these are the most widely supported formats for favicons. Next, let's head over to the Hostinger control panel, known as H-panel. When you log in, you'll want to start by locating the File Manager, which is the central hub for managing your website files. The File Manager can usually be found directly on the H-panel dashboard or under a category like Files or Website. Click on it to open. Inside the File Manager, you're looking for the root directory of your website. This directory typically has a name like public HTML or www. It's basically the main folder where all your website files are stored. Once you're there, you want to upload your favicon file. To do this, click on the Upload Files button, usually represented by an upward pointing arrow. Navigate to your saved favicon file on your computer, select it, and click Open to upload. With the favicon file now uploaded, the next crucial step is to link it to your website. This is done through your site's HTML file. You'll need to find this file, often called index.html, in the same root directory where you uploaded the favicon. Open it up to edit. Many browsers have built-in text editors for this purpose. Insert the following line of code within the head section of your HTML file. Link rel icon, type image png ref favicon.png. Remember to replace favicon.png with whatever you've named your favicon file. This line of code tells the browser to look for your favicon file and display it next to the tab name. After you've added the code, make sure to save the changes. You can do this by clicking Save or using keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+S for Windows or Cmd+S for Mac. Now, it's time to check your work. Open a browser and go to your website's URL. Refresh the page, and you should see your new favicon up in the tab. This concludes our tutorial on adding a favicon to your Hostinger website. By following these steps, you've added a small yet significant touch to your site that enhances both its professionalism and brand recognition. Thanks for sticking with me till the end, and I hope this guide has been helpful.